Oh
my God.
Oh God! What's up, guys? What are we doing today?
Furring strips.
So today we're building out our cinder block bathroom with furring strips, and I am just so excited. Okay, how do I start this thing? Is it fur or fur? Whew, I'm excited. We're excited. Okay, guys, today we're fern. Is there a way to say that and not sound like a redneck? Well, hi, y'all. Welcome to What the Flip. On today's episode, we're furring out our bathroom. And then after that, I'm gonna show you Pappy's secret shine recipe. Stay tuned, y'all. This is our bathroom all built out. These furring strips or strapping or whatever you wanna call it, they're thin pieces of wood that we had to attach to the cinder block to make it easier for us to put up our wall coverings, whether that be sheetrock or shiplap or tile or whatever.
So it's a pretty easy process. All you have to do is just measure and make your cut. We're gonna be spacing these 16 inches on center. So you wanna make sure that everything's level, and before you fasten the wood to the wall, you wanna rub it up and down with a hefty load of caulk. Use your caulk gun to apply your construction adhesive to the back of the wood.
You ever wonder why they call it a caulk gun? We are drilling into masonry, so you will need a masonry bit. A regular drill will not cut it. You will need a hammer drill. You can pick up this 1/2-inch piece of shit from Harbor Freight for about 20 bucks. It'll do the job, but if you have a larger project, I highly suggest investing in an SDS drill. It'll make things go by a lot faster.
Take your time with drilling and clean away any dust before fastening. You can use a masonry screw like a Tapcon.
You could also use these cut nails. They are a lot cheaper, and for us, they actually seem to hold better in the block. A grid system over here to give us space to run our electrical. We only did it on these two walls because they're the only walls with wiring.
So we have to finish electrical before moving on to wall coverings. We were thinking shiplap, but we're having second thoughts. Shiplap's a trend, and like all trends, it'll eventually go out of style. So we're thinking about going with something neutral like sheetrock so that we can attract as many potential buyers as possible.
Not to mention sheetrock is a lot cheaper. Shiplap is expensive. I'm talking the real deal shiplap that's actual wood, not plywood that's cut into strips like you've seen people do on Pinterest. And if you were wondering about all the screaming at the beginning of the video, well, we were doing a lot of sanding upstairs, left a window open, a squirrel may or may not have gotten trapped. We noticed a pretty bad smell, went to investigate, and well, this is what happened.
Okay. I found the problem. Come on.
She was moving out these old curtains.
Oh my God. So you want me to pick that up and put it right here and carry it out?
Yep. I turned it upside down and it smells so bad. Well, that's all we can do in here until we finish electrical, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, enjoy this montage of everything we've been doing during quarantine.
Oh yeah, let me tell you.
Speak. 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 Good girl.
I finally did it, I guess. Woo! Okay, let me spit a few facts at you. Facts, it's late. Facts, we're in a cave. Facts, we are social distancing. They told us that we couldn't go outside, so we went deeper inside, the belly of the planet. That way we're not around people. You know, I haven't been washing my hands, but I got my gloves on, and I got hand sanitizer in my pack. So what, CDC? What, COVID-19? Suck it. I don't know. Just stop recording whenever. Nature Valley keeping us fed on caving expeditions since we started. Not a sponsor.
Suck real bad if I jerked the shit out of this rope right now, wouldn't it?
Feel too good, huh?
Hey, Murph.
What's up? We have hit the little area that we call the Devil's Staircase. It's probably the sketchiest part of the climb. Trav has already went up and is tying off our rope. You hooked up?
Not yet. Okay.
You want to use me as a step?
Right there looks pretty solid. I'm just gonna. Oh, there's a juicy handle right there, buddy. Oh, we're Gucci, baby. Maybe not.
You wanna grab my foot?
Okay. This is kind of like mountain climbing. Yeah, El Cap's cool and all, but this is like, you know, a porta potty spilled over a steep driveway, you know what I mean? All right, guys, that's it for us. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you aren't already. And other than that, we will catch you on the flip side.
Yeah, switch it up.
Good enough. Bye.